So today in this video, we are going to talk about why the control systems are replacing the traditional old business management. Hi, this is Rinki Khan, your CRM expert and MSME business coach. My company name is Baby Corp and I help businesses to convert their sales in and generate more sales revenue. Okay, there are a long time businesses were managed by through the manual efforts, okay, experience and instincts. While these methods worked in a simpler times, now they are no longer enough in today's fast-paced and competitive environment because modern businesses deal with large amount of data every day, like sales transaction, expenses, customer payments, team activities, and operational tasks. Managing all of this manually is not only difficult but also risky. Important details can be missed, delays can occur, and decision making becomes slower. Now, this is why you need to build a growth system where you have the clarity and control of your business. And it's becoming the essentials. Building a growth business is all about your model, your strategy, and your system. And it should be structured way, in a structured way of managing and running all the entire business. Okay. It brings together all the functions such as sales, marketing, operations, human resource, finance, and the management into one place. With the proper growth system, business owners don't need to monitor the day-to-day firefighting, and they can instantly see the revenue, trends, expense patterns, and the pending payments and the tasks of the progress. Okay, this levels of visibility allows them to take a quick and informed action. Now, another important advantage is predictability. When the business operates on a system, outcomes become more consistent, risk can be identified earlier, and the corrective actions can be taken before the problems grow. Industries across the board are moving towards such a system because they provide the scalability, clarity, and control. Oh, okay. Then the mindset shift is clear here. Now you had a old way manage manually. Now new way build a system with the clarity and control. Those businesses that wins are the ones who stay in the control. So join us on the journey of an entrepreneur and become the top 1% the growing business owner. At the Saturday from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. So see you at the business growth workshop. Ah! Stop.